another 1.5. Okay, so that's the project I was working on. Let's do the same thing. Put the hammer spring on. Oops. Where's that? There it is. The sear spring? What the fuck's going on out there?
Crazy snakes.
And there we go. I gotta widen my sear spring hole, but you get the picture. And then for this to engage, let's see. I do have a slide that I can engage on it. Okay. Actually, we'll try this trick. Just put the hammer spring on so you can slide your slide past that point where the disconnector blocks it, and then slide your drop in back forward till you can put your sear pin in again. And where's that at? All right, so got the safety. Okay, so I got it in now. I have a fucking dovetail that somebody sold, like, and they sold me a fucking crooked dovetail. Can you believe that shit? Yeah, so this thing, now see what we got. I just took off the dovetail, fuck it.
It's not necessary, huh?
I just squeeze it with my hand. So pretty nice. This slide's actually a fucking what do you call it? A B.B.Gun slide. Because it's like this one fits, but the slide that I'm gonna put on here, the actual slide, is like it's too tight. So I'm fitting it to the rails right now because I'm doing these B.B.Gun frames into real 1911s since they're aluminum frames. There's a couple few differences that you got to do, and you honestly have to get the Nighthawk drop-in trigger if you're gonna fucking manage to do it at all. So I don't really mind saying anything because that's kind of a fucking, it's kind of a bit to do that. But anyways, I will have shooting videos soon.